an oil and gas company up here in the Bakken, and we specialize in doing helical piers, facility construction, any infrastructure support for oil and gas operations up here. As a company, I think our biggest strength has to be just the people we surround ourselves with and the quality of work that we try to put out to our clients. At the end of the day, that's all we're trying to do is provide a good service, and we're a local company and we're going to be up here for a while. We plan on being up here for a while. You know, someone who's looking to start their own construction company, if someone's interested in a trade, if you want to get started, you have to try to get as much experience as you can and soak in as much information as you can, and good information. You have to start maybe as an apprentice or as a laborer, just with a really good reputable company, and get to know the people that run that company, and just try to soak in as much information and good attributes from those people as you can. And then if you have dreams or aspirations of starting your own company, reflect back on that and just take away the key points, you know, that those people taught you, and then get ready to work, because it's not easy. It's not easy to start your own company, and I think it's even harder to maintain any success that you do have eventually. Starting out, you're going to be in the equipment yourself, and you're going to be learning how to do a lot of things that you didn't know how to do. On the job experience, you're trying to do good work, and running that equipment, you're going to acquire a lot of those skills, and then at the end of the day, you're going to have a stack of paperwork that needs to get done, and there's no one else around besides yourself to do it. So once you get comfortable enough and you have the right people in place to do those jobs for you, and you've taught them how to run equipment and how to do these jobs the way you want them done, you have to try to transition over into working on your business instead of inside your business.